think she's winning. I think she's winning.
Wait, where's your money?
You're gonna hold my money. Count it.
Wait, are you recording me?
300.
Oh God. I feel like I should kiss the money goodbye right now.
You might as well.
Oh my God.
1, 2.
See, I've never raced against someone who's in shape.
And no warming up for you, Ron?
No, I'm too freaked out. I'm just drinking a little coffee and
Okay.
sweating.
That's not good before a race.
No? Oh God. I don't know what to do.
We should have an audience.
I know. Well, I didn't think you wanted one.
I always want an
You
audience.
do? Well, you'll have the whole world to watch you on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's a big audience.
Sorry. Okay.
Is that's your comment?
Okay, let's go. Are you guys ready? Are you chickening out?
I'm out of here.
Imagine he just left.
How would I just leave with his money?
Alright, we walk to the other end of the street and we finish here, right by the line. This is the finishing line, right?
Oh wait, can I put some sage on your door?
Sure, whatever you want.
Should I? No, I just feel like it brings on positive thoughts.
Just think positive. You're already thinking positive thoughts.
So what do you think is going to happen today?
No.
I'm curious to find out. Is she fast? She,
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. But she does sports and all that, right?
Sometimes. She hasn't been working out.
Yeah. Okay. Well, he's old. I think like 60 or something, right? So yeah, there's no way he's gonna beat her. Okay. Oh, there's somebody cutting across here. An uninvited guest. Maybe you want to give a hand signal or something? Like, oh, I'll give a hand signal. Okay. Ready and go. Okay.
He's still talking.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look like...
Come on, Alicia!
I think she's winning. I think she's winning.
Come on, Alicia! Come on!
I think she's doing it.
Come on, Alicia! Let's go! Come on! Alicia!
She's stopping?
Alicia! What the... What was that? What was that?
I know you take a picture, man. I was coming across the street. I'm sorry if I messed up your shot.
No, you're good, you're good.
I crossed the street. I thought he was,
No, you're going to make the video more interesting.
Fair.
So what happened there, Alicia?
He just sprinted.
Well, let's do it again.
Was sprinting allowed,
You weren't
Ron?
loose.
What?
You weren't loosened up here.
Okay.
We'll do it again.
Let me catch my breath.
Yeah, me too. You catch your breath.
You're pretty
Oh,
fast.
we're gonna have a rematch now?
Yeah, we're going to do it right now.
First time ever, wow.
First time ever, rematch on the spot.
He's like, shit.
That's what you do. You have to keep your pace and run smart.
Listen to your coach.
Yeah, see, listen. I thought I'm just going to sprint the whole time. I'm just going to pace myself and then...
Yeah. Something happens. It always happens. I'm like a freak.
Yeah.
I'm like old.
Actually, you are.
Alright, next time you're going to do better. You just let me know when you're ready. It's got stuff like that. I cheated. I roided. I juiced.
Yeah, you got the...
I got the kombucha, I got the chia. I had some espresso.
Did you eat banana?
I had banana. I had everything. She gave me all the secrets. All right, again.
We're gonna do it
You
again.
got some final coaching for her?
You're hopeless. I give up.
You're hopeless.
No.
Maybe she just had to warm up. And here we go.
Come on! Alicia! Come on! Can I take a picture of you guys?
Yeah.
We're real. Well,
All right, start training for the rebound.
Yeah, start training. I'll start training.
Both of you. Here's the next move. You ready? I run you, and then you back to back. All I get is 2 minutes break.
Alright.
And if you win $500, you split. If either one of you wins, it's 2 separate races. Either one of you wins, you get $500. If you lose, 20 bucks.
Alright.
That's pretty good. Huh?
well, good job.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh, the presentation of the money. Once again, undefeated.
That's not fair. You're a joke.
I'm a freak.
You're a freak.
Once again, dominant over the opposite sex. Rubbing it in a little.
Undefeated.